Hello everyone, welcome to a new video series on interacting Google Earth Engine with R programming language. So basically in this online training program, I will try to discuss about all of those things from beginners to advanced level using R programming for remote sensing analysis. Okay, so if you don't have any knowledge in the R programming, or if you have done knowledge about that rgee package, so I hope after completing this full online training program, you are able to do all of those things from beginners to advanced level and do the different types of advanced remote sensing analysis. So let's go. So basically today I will try to discuss all of those course content and also try to show you that how you can easily install it, the RGE package. So let's go. So first of all, what is RGEE? So basically RGEE, it's a package. This package is a binding of Google Earth Engine API from within R, and several functions have been implemented to make simple and the connection with the R for a special ecosystem. Okay, so in this time I try to show you that how we can install the RGE and create the IDE for write the Google Earth Engine code. Okay, so for that, first of all, we should simply install it in our system. Our in this system we need to install it the R. Okay, this is the R. We need to install it. Simply you can go to this link. I provide this link in the video description, so you can simply check it and simply go to this link and download and install the R. Okay, after installing the R, you can simply download the RStudio from here. So download the RStudio. Okay, then it will be done. Okay, so here I already installed it, the R language as well as also RStudio. Okay, so in this time I just simply open my RStudio. So you can see the RStudio. I just simply open this RStudio and then I write my code about this. Okay, so let's go. So in this time it will be loaded. Just I open my RStudio web application and I create a new R script. Okay, after that I simply remove that. I don't need to save it, so I simply remove that and also clear all of those things from my console. Okay, so this is the user interface of R. Okay, so basically this is the console about this R, and we are also write the R programming language also in this panel. Okay, and we also get the different types of visualization on here. So after further I also try to discuss about this all of those things step by step. So today I will try to discuss about that how we can easily install the RGE package in RStudio. Okay, and visualize the map in here. Okay, so first of all, I already write the code about that. So in this time for the installing, just we need to one time to use it. So I can simply copy the same code from here and then paste in my code editor. So basically in this code editor, I installed the RGE package. Okay, and anyone when already installed this package and run the code, then it's showing the result this package is already installed. Okay, so let's go, we can check about this result. So just I simply select all of those cell and click to the run. In this time I already installed this package, so that's why in this time you can see it's showing the result as the package RGE already installed. Okay, so if you don't install it the RGE package and when you run the code, then it automatically install it the RGE package. Okay, so here I already installed it, so that's why in this time I get the result look like that RGE package already installed. Okay, so this is the first step when you want to install it the RGE package in your RStudio. Okay, so I will provide all of this practice code, so that's why you can easily work with that. After that, out that how we can easily install it rgee package in our RStudio. So for that, first of all, we need to install the package rgee. This package, simply use the install package as rgee, and after that we need to install it the e.install, then import the rgee library, and after that we can simply put the library. For the importing library, this process is that we just write the library and put our package name, then it will be imported. Okay, then we can check all of this rgee package, and then we can simply use this clean python environment. So remove the reticulate system variable, it will be removed, and then we can initialize, and when you can initialize, then it create a generated token. Just you can simply copy the token and paste it, then it will work. So let's go practical example. I try to show you that how can you do that. So first of all, I can simply open the RStudio in here. I already opened. So first of all, I can simply click on here file and take a new file, RScript. Okay, and then remove the previous one. .NET, I don't save it. Okay, and also clear the console. Okay, and also refresh this browser. Then okay. Okay, so let's go how we can do that. So for that, okay, so I just simply open the RStudio again. And then I can simply open the file and open a new file from here. So just open a new file, click the new RS script. I opened, and now it will be work. Okay, so this is the empty file I take, and also remove clear the console tab also. So first of all, I need to import the library. So here I already write the code about that. How can I do that? So first of all, I can simply copy this package from here. Just simply copy. So in this time, just one time we need to install it the rgee package, and further we don't need for the install it again and again. Okay, so just import that. So in this time, in this code, if your system has already installed the rgee, then it's showing the result package rgee already installed. Okay, or if your system or in your RStudio has not installed the rgee package, then it will be installed. Okay, so this code is right using this way. If it not installed, then it will be installed, and if it already installed, then it's showing the result package rgee already installed. So here I already installed it, so that's why when I run the code, simply select and click to the run. So now you can see it showing the result as that package rgee already installed. Okay, so now I can simply import it the library of rgee. So for importing, we simply use here the library function, library, and then simply call this package name. Package name is that rgee. So simply put here this rgee. Okay, just I simply write that I imported the package of rgee in here. Okay, so in this time it is a package, so that's why we don't use here the quotation. Okay, just write this package name and click to run. So now you can see this package is successfully imported in here, and there is a no problem. It means that rgee package is successfully installed in your system. After that, we need to use here the install it the art engine install. Okay, just use that and click to the run. So now it installed the art engine. Okay, so it takes some time for installing all of those art engine package. You can see it will be, I already do that. For that, in this time we can get this result look like that. So it will be removing the previous Python environment and then install it all of those art engine package in this RStudio. Okay, you can see it will be showing the preparing and verifying and executing the transaction, and also working for that, and also create the Python environment on rgee. So now it will be working. Okay, so this is my file path. C user del app data. This is my file path. Okay, and now it will be work. You can see. Okay, In this time you can see, in this time it's showing the message look like that. Would you like to continue? So basically in this time, installer want to store the variables in my this is my file path. I want to install it, so just simply use here the Y and click to the enter. So now it also install it all of those things in my file directory. It working in here, you can see. Okay, so in this time you can see after installing that, for that I need to register the RStudio. So for that I simply use here the one and then enter. So now it restoring the art session and install is successfully done. Okay, so now if you want to check about that, so simply put here the use here the art engine. Simply write in here art engine, check, then click to the run. So now it will be showing what is the situation of your all of those R package. It completely fully processing or not. In this time you can see the Python version is okay. Okay, it's successfully downloaded. It will be stored in our path. So this is my path, and also NumPy already done. Art Engine API it already done. Okay, so I check it. So in this time I need to use here that remove all of those reticle variable. I need to remove. For that I simply use here the clean Python environment. Simply copy and then paste in here and then click to the run. In this time all of those reticle Python environment will be removed, and then I simply initialize again. So for that I use the e.initialize. Okay, simply copy that code and paste in my code editor and click to the run. So now in this time you can see showing the username not found. Initialize Google Earth Engine, it will be working. So after that you can see it will be showing the done. So it will be initially done, and also showing that my user account which I use for that Google Earth Engine platform when I registered with the Google Earth Engine platform. So this Earth Engine account is displayed on here. So it means that now I successfully installed the rgee package and also connect the Google Earth Engine with RStudio. Okay, so first time when you want to put the initialize, then you have to put a generate a token, and this token you need to paste in your console. Okay, then it will be verified. So here I already verified, so that's why in this time it directly showing my user ID name of Google Earth Engine account. Okay, so now I can easily use this prompt for showing the different types of Google Earth Engine analysis. And further next tutorial we also try to discuss about the different types of analysis using the RStudio from the beginners to advanced level. So as well as I already write the code about for the showing the in this code I simply copy that code and try to show you that how it will be work. So simply copy. So then I simply paste in my code editor. So basically in this time I will describe the code later, but I show you the result, what the result I can got in here. So further class we also try to discuss about that result. Simply select and click to run. So in this time basically this result is showing about that night light trend for the different time period and also display the result. Okay, so just I show you that in this time we are take the Google Earth Engine data catalog. This is the Google Earth Engine data catalog data set we're using in here, as well as we are get all of those. You can select this band, also use at the map function, also reduce this image collection using the linear fit. So all of those things we are using from the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so now this system is ready for to do any types of remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform with help of R. Okay, so in this time you can see the map layout is also coming in here. So basically this map is showing the light trend for the whole world for the different time period using the linear fit we are using in here. So now we can get the result look like that. Okay, and also get the information about the data set. You can see all of those information about the data set we can get in here. Okay, so this is the process how we can easily install the rgee package in Google Earth Engine platform in RStudio. So I will send you this practice code. You also try to do for that, and face any problem regarding any issue, just let me know. And further, we also try to discuss about that more advanced analysis using the RStudio. So in this time, I also try to show you all of those course contents, which I will show you in this online training program. So this is the installing process. Okay, so then we try to discuss about that course content. So first of all, we try to discuss about that all of those basic syntax of our programming language from A to Z. All of those basic syntax you can easily learn from here and apply it in Google Earth Engine platform for RStudio using the rgee map package. Then we try to discuss about that adding the data to the map, how we can easily add the different types of data from the Earth Engine public data catalog. This data how can easily add in this map, and then finding the images, how can you find the different types of images. Then we can do for the different types of band calculation or raster calculation and mapping. Okay, as well as we can also do for the reducing, how can you use the reducer. Then image statistics, different types of pixel value, average, minimum, maximum, how can you calculate. Then we talk about the marking, then a complete example. All of those things we try to give you the complete example. Then we try to show you that machine learning with our programming language with rgee package. So supervised classification algorithm and make the land use land cover classification using the R, as well as also classification and regression phrase using the cart. Then support vector machine, how we can easily develop in the R programming language using the rgee map package. Then confusion matrix, how we can easily create, and also unsupervised classification algorithm and k-means clustering. Mainly I will show you that. Okay, so image with R, so different types of image analysis such as image overview, image visualization, image information and metadata, mathematical operation, relational condition and Boolean operation, convolution, morphological operation, gradient, edge detection, spectral transformation structure, as well also object-based methods, then cumulative cost mapping, then resistant images, then miscellaneous we can try to discuss band statistics, mean, max, mean, and standard deviation, then image statistics by band. Okay, extract the value to point, the rename band. Okay, clipping, find image by path and row, get image by resolution, get image by extent, as well as lot of analysis we can easily learn from this online training program. Set image properties, select band, convert bands to image collection, how we can easily do for reclassify, composite image, image smoothing, download the satellite image, cell statistics, image path area, get image ID, get the band name and type, filtering by calendar range, as well as also image collection with R. So mainly image collection overview, image collection information and metadata, filtering and image collection, mapping over and image collection, reducing and image collection, composite and mosaic using this image collection, as well as we also try to discuss about that getting the image centroid, and then also convert the image collection to image sort by cloud and date. Lot of analysis we can learn from here. Filtering by metadata, then also filtering by band names, and also select the image by index, and also creating the monthly imagery. How can we create the monthly imagery, as well as geometry feature and feature collection with R. So mainly we try to discuss all of those things. So you also try to read about that. In this time I will not discuss about that. Okay, as well as reducer with R. How can you use the different types of reducer and also do for the different types of statistical analysis in here. We can see all of this course content, linear regression, weighted reduction, zonal statistics, as well as join with R. So all of those simple join, inverted join, inner join, save all joins. So all of those things we try to discuss. Array with R, array and array image, array transformation, again analysis, array sorting and reducing, as well as also some we talk about the some special algorithm with R, such as Landsat algorithm, also Sentinel-1 algorithm, resample and reducing resolution, and pattern recognition. Okay, as well also assessment with R, such as how can they export the images, export image collection, export vector, export picture collection, export table, export time series, how RStudio work. So all of those things we try to discuss, and filtering in R. Okay, the lot of content we try to complete from the beginners to advanced level. So any beginners who don't have any knowledge about the R programming or Google Earth Engine platform, they can easily join this online training program. And also visualization with rgee, RGB composite, color plated, color remap, hill shade, lot of things we try to complete in this part in here. Okay, So as well as also you can see some extra analysis we try to discuss in here, such as pre-processing the modis, then Lancet, then Sentinel-2, stringing with RGE and GStat, as well as object-based image analysis, E plus random forest, and Lancet image available RGE plus ggplot2, create the deep learning dataset with RGE. So all of those things we try to complete it in this online training program. If you want to join this type of online training program, just contact in our WhatsApp and also contact with the email. I will give you all of this information in the video description. And if you want to learn the all of those things from the Google Earth Engine with R programming language, I hope this course is the best for you from beginners to advanced level, and also do further remote sensing analysis using this platform. Okay. So if you have any question or any doubt, just contact with me. I hope you can learn from all of those things from this online training program. Okay. So thank you for watching that.